welcome back to my channel. Today is a quick tutorial on how to do winged liner on a hooded eye. I am by no means a pro at this, but I have come up with a little kind of thing that helps me because my eyes are hooded. I don't have any other makeup on except for like face stuff, but no other eye stuff because I wanted you guys to really be able to see what I was doing. So if you also have hooded eyes and would like to see an easier way to kind of create this part of the wing, then stay tuned for the tutorial. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda Marie and welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to follow me on all of my other social media. I'm super active on Facebook and Instagram. And also hit the notification bell so that every time I upload videos, you will get notified and be the first to see them. So without further ado, let me just get into the tutorial. I hope that this helps at least one person out there with hooded eyes, because I struggled with the wing for so long. And when I finally found a technique that worked for me, I was just so very excited. So I hope that this does some good for someone out there. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you how I did this. Bye guys. Love you. Okay, so I'm going to try to talk you guys through this the best I can. The first thing I do is I go to the lowest point of my hood, right in the corner, and I draw a little line. Then I make like a little tiny sideways triangle right where I want my wing to kind of come out of. I don't know if you guys can see the little tiny triangle there. And then I'm going to draw the wing. Sometimes I start far away and move it closer. Sometimes I'll just kind of draw it out. I'm kind of nervous because I'm all up in the camera trying to do this. So then I take the side of that triangle and I just connect it to the wing. And then I'm going to fill that new triangle that I made in. So from here, what I do is I just kind of clean it up as much as I can. Usually I have concealer and stuff, and if I make a little boo-boo, I can, you know, clean it up with the concealer. So this probably isn't going to be the best wing I've ever done, but you guys will get the gist of what I'm trying to do. So I just kind of curve it up a little bit, and then I'm going to make it more pointy with the tip of the eyeliner. The next thing I'm going to do is just do the rest of my lid. I'm going to try to keep, you know, the eyeliner obviously as close to my lash line as possible, but I'm also going to want to connect it with the top of that original triangle that I made on the other side. This part's pretty self-explanatory. I think the toughest part is just actually getting the wing done. And I just quickly did my other wing, and that's it. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I will see you again soon. Bye, guys.